To celebrate my new haters, I just bring a new whip out. End up fucking your main girl, then park the shit at your bitch house. Paid 100K for my necklace, they wanna bring 100Ks to my crib. Nigga, it's 100 ways to get goddamn, make you pay 100K for your kid. Had him at the crack house with the dope fiends, the dim lights and the smoke screens. Let him smell the aroma from a coke coma. If you listen close, you hear soul scream. From the block chillin' with the shooters that was in a pot trying to whip a future. My niggas scrape the walls of that pot Rex as I thank the Lord for my progress. Cause all my chains is man, my rings and rollies is all my dames is ballin' like I'm slangin' that. I got that, got that, got that, got that, got that. I got that, got that, got that, got that, got that. Screamin', I can't fuck no broke bitch. I smoke that West Coast shit, rollin' with my top down, cause I be on that dope shit. I got that, got that, got that, got that. I got that, got that, got that, got that, got that.
King Los with the kingpin, King Push, you got the king him. King's ransom for a kilo, took mine and built a kingdom. Open doors for overlords, overdo it, overboard. This coupe causing you pain, nigga, peel it top back like an open sore. My niggas is caged in, I tell them be patient. Robbers we racing, nights and the days in, paid off, they coming home made men. New gods and the new odds, we lose y'all. You a dodge nigga like the new charge. This dope money, we can prove ours.
All my chains is man, my rings and rollies is all my dames is